Hi, thank you for downloading the savings funds tracker. Over here we have got a savings funds dashboard on the top which has two different views. The first is the savings target where we are going to set different saving fund and the corresponding target amount, that is the goal amount of savings that we are supposed to make. And then we have a savings overview which gives a total overview of how much we have saved so far out of the targeted amount that we had set from the beginning. So first of all, under the savings target I have added three different savings as a default with the corresponding goal amount. If you want to edit any of the saving funds that has already been added, you can simply click on this pencil button and you can name the saving fund over here. So let's say we are going to change this to car fund. So as soon as you do this, the entire name has been changed. And similarly, you can click on this and you can set the goal amount over here. So let's say I'm changing this goal amount from $2,500 to $3,000. Okay. As soon as you do this, the entire thing will automatically be updated over here in the savings overview. In order to add a new savings, you can click on this add savings button over here. Once you click on this, it will automatically add a new savings underneath the already added savings. Now you click on this pencil icon again, give a name to it. So let's say it is saving fund 1, or let's say let's name it as new saving fund. Okay, once you do this, hit enter and this will automatically be added with the goal amount of $1,000. You can click on this, you can set any goal amount of your choice. Let's say I'm putting it as $10,000. So new saving fund has been added with $10,000 as the goal amount with this information. Now if you want to edit any of these details already added for previous saving fund, simply click on this and you will have all the options open. You can even edit from here the name and you can set the goal amount over here as well. So I can change this name to, let's say, car fund new or something like that, and I can put the goal amount of my choice over here as well. This is one way of doing it. The second way would be to click on this pencil icon to edit these details as well as over here. Okay, if you want to edit any if you want to delete any particular saving fund which has already been added, you can click on the 6 dots on the left and it will show the delete option. You can hit the delete option, it will automatically delete. Okay, so I'm just going to delete this new added saving funds. As I click on this, you will see the delete option, and once I click on delete, it is deleted from the window. Okay, so this is how you can add a new savings, you can edit the particular saving, and you can delete the savings from this particular view. Now if you go to the savings overview, we can see the total savings that has been made, the targeted saving amount that we had set, and what percentage of targeted amount we have achieved so far. In order to add a new savings to the particular saving fund, you will head over to the transactions panel on the bottom. Now you can click on this add transaction. Once you click on this, it will automatically add a new transaction with the current date that you are in as per the system. So once I click on this add transaction, you can see that a new transaction was added under December month. Now all these transactions are split as per different months, and the later the month it will appear on the top. Okay, so today is like December 29, 2023, and I've just added 3 hypothetical dates with the next month over here. So as you click on this, you can also set a different date from the calendar window that is open up over here. So I'm going to quickly add a new saving fund over here. So you can enter the information over here. So let's say saving for car fund. So as soon as we do this, we can head over to the saving fund column. Once you click on this, you will have all the different saving funds that was already added open up in this window. So I can select the car fund and then I can put the saving amount over here. If you notice, in the car fund we have a total savings of $1,400, which is calculating from here. As soon as you add any amount over here, it will automatically populate as a total over there on the top. So now it is reflecting 2,400, which is nothing but 1,400 plus 1,000 out of the $3,000 saving amount. So we have reached 80% targeted amount. So this is how it automatically captures all the information and shows the current overview over here, and you can get an overview of how you are proceeding with the savings. Before wrapping up this video, I wanted to highlight one thing. If you are wondering if this saving funds tracker can be used with a different currency, then that is definitely possible. If you click on any of the particular amounts which has a dollar currency, if you click on this, you click on edit property, there is a number format which reflects all the different currencies that Notion supports. If you need help in setting up this template post purchase in a different currency, I will certainly assist in that regard. You need not worry about that. But besides this is completely dynamic. You just need to use these 2 action buttons, set the savings amount, goal amount over here, add the transactions of savings as you keep on saving with due course of time, and see how you're building up the savings under the savings overview. Now one more thing to highlight over here before wrapping up this video is this entire view is visible as per different month. If you click on this 3 dot, you can see that the grouping has been made by date. Once you click on this grouping, you can see that the date has been put as per different month. Once you click on this, there is this option of putting it onto week or a year, so it will dynamically change as per your information that is set. Let's say I'm changing it to year. Now you can see it is showing 2024 2023 as a two different years, and if I change it back to week, it will show on a weekly basis how your savings has been made. Okay, so it is completely dynamic and it can be altered in any manner possible, and this is customizable. This can be customized as per your own requirement, whatever you may feel fit for your use. If you have any further questions in regard to this, feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. I'll be happy to assist you on this matter. Thank you.